Yes, yes.
Yeah. So let me share my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, I have created some questions, some doubts, which usually people want to discuss. So number one question is like, what is the credential of trainer? Like, is trainer experience enough to guide you guys? Is trainer have all the sorts of certifications and knowledge and experience, everything, so a trainer can take this session? So I'm your trainer. My name is Abhishek Prasun, and I have over 18 years of experience in IT industry. Out of that, around 13 years as a software uh, managing core software projects. 13 years I worked as a Scrum Master, project manager, and project lead, those kind of role, and manage software projects from end to end. So you can go to LinkedIn and you can check my profile. I'm available as Abhishek Prasun on LinkedIn, and here everything is mentioned about me. Like I'm author of 2 books. These books are available on Amazon. I won couple of awards on project management, and I have all sorts of certifications with me. I have total 31 certifications with me, including PMP, Scrum Master, SAFe, ITIL, every sort of certification which is related to project management I have already hold. And I worked with around 6 organizations. So you did not worry about experience and exposure. I have acquired all the certification. I have gone through with these cycles, and I can guide you in a much better way to anyone else. So if you see like people available in the market, they are mostly trainers. They are not related to industry, so they will not like in a position to provide you uh, examples of real scenario, discussion of real scenarios, and how you should transit from your technical profile to management profile. I started my career as a software engineer in 2005. I was a .NET developer. I worked in Microsoft Technologies, and I worked around 7 years as a developer, tech lead, and gradually I moved. I got transitions. I moved from a technical profile to management profile, and from 2012 I'm working as a manager, as a Scrum Master. So any doubt on my credential or my capability to take this class? No? Then let's move further. Why PMI-ACP? So there are lot many certifications available in the market. Let me show you one slide. It will help you to understand why PMI-ACP. We can have n number of certifications. Yeah. Let me share this. So see, this is a certification business. Lot many certifications are available in the market, and these are the organization which they provide various type of agile certifications. Like if you see, Scrum Alliance provide CSM, Scrum ORG provide PSM. Lot many certifications agencies are there, but why we choose PMI-ACP? So there is a simple reason behind it. Project Management Institute is the one of the oldest organization in this space. Project Management Institute started in 1969, so it is almost more than 50 years old organization, and these rest of the organizations are pretty new in this market. Okay, so initially Project Management Institute has started PMP certification, which is very prominent name in the industry. And Agile itself is a very new concept. Agile is just 20 years old concept. So PMI launched PMI-ACP certification in uh, 2012. They launched this PMI certification. So PMI certification itself around 11-year old. And if you see the syllabus curriculum of PMI-ACP certification, other certification just cover one aspect of your certification, like they teach you just a Scrum or just Kanban one aspect. But if you see the syllabus of PMI-ACP, it covers everything. It covers all the methodologies, all the Agile framework which is related to Agile, like Scrum, XP, Kanban, FDD, TDD, BDD, mm, Crystal, Lean. It covers everything. So it will help you to understand entire Agile scenario in a very efficient manner. And it's not just focus on one certification. Okay. So this will definitely help you when you prepare for your job interview, when you do transition from your technical profile to management profile. If you have comprehensive knowledge of all the methodologies, it will definitely help you to perform better in your area, like in project management. Hope I'm able to answer like why we have choose PMI ACP as a certification. Any doubt, any question?
Sir, what are the difference between PMP certification and PMP ACP certification?
Yeah, so PMP certification is more about overall project management. Like in PMP certification, Agile methodology also cover, as well as traditional project management also cover. So PMP is not just for IT industry. PMP is for every industry. If you are project manager, and whether if you belong from construction industry or healthcare industry or mechanical industry, any industry, people opt PMP from all the industries. But this is not the case with PMI-ACP. People from IT background, they usually prefer PMI-ACP certification. It's not, see, even other industry people from other industry can also opt for PMI-ACP, but it is more famous in IT industry, because in IT industry people mostly work in a agile way, and they follow all the agile processes and everything. That's why we are focusing PMI ACP certification, because we all belong from IT industry. Hope is it clear to you, Ron?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's take next question. So what are the benefits will I get after getting these certifications? So once you have this certification, Rohan, uh, your job availability will be high. Like if certification is available on your resume, it is very easy to pass through that gate. So certification, you can consider certification as a gate pass. See, certification is not a guarantee of getting good job or getting good hike or promotion, because your knowledge and application of these agile knowledge in real environment is the main thing which people test in the interview. But before reaching to the interview desk, you need to go through with various phases, like somebody who don't have any in the experience of IT industry, and they will search you from internet, they will search on different job sites. There are ATS platform which search your resume basis on various keyword which is available on your resume. So if you are certified, it is very easy to come out from the crowd. If PMI ACP on your resume, people have rely, like basics of Agile, good understanding of Agile, and you can implement those Agile concept in your real world, real scenario. So this certification will definitely help you to come out from the crowd, and at least consider it as a gate pass which help you to reach at the interview table. Okay, interviewer, you will reach at to the interviewer. Consider this as it is. But after reaching to the interview table, performance on interview is the real judgment whether are you selected for that job or not. Okay, so consider this certification as a gate pass. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. So next question, after completion of these trainings, will it helpful to job hunting? I think somebody asked this question in group. Okay. So
Yes, sir, I am.
yeah, you asked. Okay. So yeah, definitely these training will definitely helpful to you. Why this training will help you? Let me like explain this. So, see, nowadays, every employer is looking for someone who is multi-talented. Like everywhere you see nowadays, cost cutting is going on. Organization need people who have multiple skill set. If you are only developer and if you have around, you are senior enough, you have 8, 9, 10 years of experience, and you just do coding, you don't have any other skill, then it is very difficult for organization to hold you for longer duration. If you are senior enough and if you know how to manage project, you know how to handle team, you know how to deal with customer, what are the various aspect, what are the things you need to take care, it means you are multi-talented. Your technical knowledge will help you to move further, as well as if you are project management, if you know agile methodologies and different frameworks, you are multi-talented, and you will provide good support to your organization. And maybe you can replace your project manager, you can replace your scrum master, and organization will see you, okay, align some people to Pankaj, align some people to Rohan Lokesh, and that guy will independently manage the team. So you are multi-talented, it's a cost cutting for organization, and you will give your value addition to your organization. Okay, and if this will give you confidence also, like you can manage team, you can manage project, you can try new job outside Coforge or outside your current organization, and get the good salary hike, get the good exposure. You will get all the benefits which a senior person should achieve. So if you are certified, these certification will definitely help you in longer run. Hope it is clear to everyone. Any doubt, any question on this? No? Okay, then let's move to next question. What if I'm not willing to attempt certification? Suppose you don't want to attempt certification because certification has like it's a costly affair. Certification cost is around 30,000 rupees if you include membership fee also. And maybe you want to attempt that certification later on, you can you just looking for knowledge. So this training will also help you to know the agile a better manner, how you are going to implement different concept of agile in your real scenario. So we will discuss all those stuff. And even if you don't attempt for certification, this knowledge will definitely help you at everywhere. It will help you for job searching, job hunting. It will help you to manage your current project in a better manner. It will give you some confidence. It will boost your confidence. So it will help you in various aspects, even if you don't attempt for certification. Okay. Any question till here? Okay, so let me cover other questions also. So what is the session duration and the number of sessions? So total number of session is 7. Let me show you what we are going to cover in these 8 days. So
Uh,
every day, yeah, yes. Any
uh,
question?
Basically, what is the percentage of the certification clear? Suppose what is the percentage?
Yeah, so Pankaj, percentage is nowhere defined anywhere on the internet, like what is the percentage, pass percentage, and how many people usually clear these certifications. So those kind of information not revealed by PMI. So
Okay.
I'm like, uh,
What experience last? Suppose you are last training, you are conducted 5 trainings. So how
yeah,
many
okay,
people?
okay. So you are talking about batch percentage size. Okay. So see what I see, you will see what I'm going to cover, and you will yourself like success rate. So for me, it's 100% success rate. Whosoever ever people I have trained, they are able to complete this certification very easily. Okay. And I will show you like not only teaching, I will cover lot many things, and it will definitely help you to pass this certification, clear the certification. So we have divided this entire session, which is aligned with PMI-ACP syllabus. I will show you syllabus also. So entire PMI-ACP syllabus is divided into 7 domain, and every day we will cover one domain. And class duration is 3 hours on weekend. So we have uh, purposefully designed this 3 hours syllabus, 3 hours class. Why? Because examination duration is 3 hours. So in 3 hours, you need to clear 120 questions. So these 3 hours sitting will help you to sit 3 hours in exam also. Okay, and we will cover all these 8 domains every day, and every weekend, like Saturday, Sunday, we will have these classes from 10 to 1. Okay, we will discuss whether we can change the timing and duration or not. We will discuss this also in this session. After completion of these syllabus, after covering these syllabus, we will do some mock tests. So I have a collection of around 2000 mock test questions, which is
Hello,
very.
your voice.
Your voice is not coming.
Is it for you, or I'm not audible for rest of the people also?
Now it's
No,
coming.
I'm audible to everyone now? Hello?
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Yeah. So I have I have list of 2000 plus quality exam questions. So what we will do after completion of our SAP syllabus, we will discuss all the questions. Like I will provide you these questions in advance, and I will ask you to solve these questions. And if you have doubt, if you have any query related to question, if you think why this is the answer, why is not uh, other option is answer. So we will discuss these domain wise session in subsequent classes. So around 7 classes we will take to discuss all these questions, all the doubts. And there is no any time bound for these classes. If you have doubt, we will take this class as long as required. Okay. And this is not a bound, like I will not take only 7 classes, not like that. If you have doubt, we can connect over the weekend. We can discuss, n number of time. There is no any boundation of number of classes. Okay. Apart from these PMI syllabus, we will also cover other things which is not directly related to PMI syllabus, PMI ACP syllabus, but it will definitely help you to crack interviews. It will definitely help you to place yourself as a Scrum Master, as a Agile Project Manager. So we will discuss Scrum Master scenario-based questions, like in real scenario, what kind of questions people ask, and in ideal scenario, how to answer those questions. So I have a list of around 100 interview questions. Those are straightforward interview questions that we will discuss in case if you have any further clarification required. We have around 30-40 scenario-based questions. We will discuss those questions. So it will help you to boost your confidence, and it will also help you to participate in interview in a better manner. We will also discuss various tools which is useful for Scrum Master Agile Project Manager. We will see Jira, Confluence, Miro, Easy Retro, how to utilize those in different Scrum events. If you already have exposure of Jira, then consider this session as a revision, and you can also learn various other tools also in this session, because as a Scrum Master, you need to set up all these tools. You need to set up project. You need to work on these tools on regular basis. Okay. I will also help you to prepare your CV, how to update your LinkedIn profile, how to do job hunting. It will, all these things are already available on internet, but I will discuss this as a IT, like how I did this. I will share my experience and how you can take the leverage of my experience. Okay. If you have not played any Scrum Master related role or any Scrum related role earlier, then we can also play a Scrum simulation. And in that simulation, we can play various role. Then it will help you to, boost some confidence, how to play a role of a Scrum Master, how to play a role of product owner if required. So we will play a Scrum simulation role in one session. We will also discuss mock interview sessions. So I will take your interview as a, like, you will participate as a Scrum Master, and I will ask various questions the way people ask in real interviews. Other people, one person will participate, other people will observe, and I will correct you, and I will also give you opportunity to correct other people. So this way we all can improve in interview participation. So all these we will cover, and you will not these are the additional things which I am going to provide apart from our regular PMI-ACP syllabus. You will not get these things in other trainings. If you do any like these kind of training anywhere else, you will not have these many sessions. You will not have these many guidance. Any question, any doubt till here? No? Okay. Then let me cover rest of the questions. Just a moment. Let me share my screen again. Okay. So next question is, what is the session duration and numbers of session? I already explained this. Can we change the time of and duration of the class based on your preference? Yes, we can do. So as I explained you, 3 hour session, and we will have 8 days of session. So I have around 30 hours of curriculum I have. Maybe if you feel 3 hours is too long, you are not able to sit that much long, then we can slice these duration. Maybe we can take 2 hours every day. In that case, we can have more days of session. Okay, so somehow we need to adjust 30-hour session in those days. If you want 1 hour of session, I think 1 hour session is too short, but we need to take that for 28 days, for example. Okay, but you among yourself decide like what is the session duration you want. Second thing, timing. So currently I'm keeping 10 to 1. If you feel 10 to 1 is not suitable for you, maybe among of yourself you can discuss like what is the suitable time for you guys, and give me one time, and basis on that we will keep that time for rest of the class. Okay. Next question, what if I'm not able to join any specific class? Yeah, yes.
Sir, if my query, if anyone skip that class, so what is the solution?
Yeah.
Suppose.
So my next question is related to that. So what if you are not able to attend that class? Okay. So every class I do recording. I use Zoom, and I have a subscription of Zoom. I pay money to Zoom for this, so I can record my sessions. So what I do, I record every session, and I kept this video recording of session on Google Drive, and I share with the class. In case if you miss that session somehow, then you can watch that video recording, and if you have any doubt, any clarification, any questions, you can ask in next class. Or if you feel you need some separate time for it to discuss this, connect with me. I will connect separately one-to-one and explain you that concept. Will it be helpful to you?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Uh, Yeah, so question 9, the class which I participate is sufficient for exam preparation? Yes, definitely. So we will have around 30 hours of duration of material we will discuss in the class. That is sufficient for your examination preparation. We have also 2000 questions, so solve those questions, and definitely that is more than enough for your examination preparation. Okay, how many hours and how many days do I need to study to pass the certification? So as per my understanding, if you spend 1.5 hour every day, if you solve 50 questions every day, uh, you are good to go for examination. I think 1.5 months of preparation and 2 months of preparation is sufficient along with my class. Okay, so my class will go around 1 month, even more than 1 month, and you need additional 15 days. So after 2 months, you are ready for certification. Okay, to attempt the certification. next question is like what resources I will receive along with this training. So I will provide you all the recordings. So you will have 30 hours of recording of each class. You will have 2000 of questions. I will provide you also all the important books which is essential for these examinations. So let me show you. I usually suggest few books to read. Just a moment. Yeah. So can you see my screen? Yeah. So I suggest one book, PMI-ACP Exam Preparation, that is by Mike Graffits. So study this book along with your regular preparation. You can also go through with Agile Practice Guide. This is PMI publication. So this one book is sufficient for your examination preparation. You can just go through with PMI-ACP exam preparation. That is sufficient. Every concept, everything is you can, get an idea from this book. And I will share this book with you guys. Okay. Next question is, uh, what are the software and system requirement to attend this training? You only need Zoom installed on your laptop. That is sufficient. You are able to access all the classes. Okay. Is there any
Sir,
past? Yeah. Yes, Pankaj.
yeah, one more question. What is the background of this training requirement? What is the background of the
No, yeah. So background is means what is the eligibility criteria to
yes,
participate in this training? Yeah, this is
correct.
what you are talking. So for training, there is no any as such criteria. You should know. You should work in a agile environment. I'm sure you are a working professional working in an IT company, so you are already working in a agile environment. But let me share the certification criteria, like uh, what is needed to attempt this certification. So you should have around 12 months of general project experience. Okay, so you should work as a project environment for around 12 months, and you should have around 8 months of agile project experience. I'm sure most of you have already these kind of experience. Am I correct, Pankaj?
No, no.
So how much experience you have, Pankaj?
No, I have more experience, but agile experience, no.
Doesn't
How can
matter. See, this is just a prerequisite, and we all know how agile environment work, how a project environment work. We all work in a projectile environment, so we all fulfill this criteria. You need not worry about this.
okay?
Okay. Examination fee is 25,000 rupees, and if you are not member, then it's a 28,000 rupees. You need to book your exam directly to the Project Management Institute. Okay, you can take a membership. You can go to the Project Management Institute. Let me show you website of PMI. So this is the PMI website. Here you can.
Your screen is not.
Sir, yeah, your screen is not
Okay,
visible.
okay, okay. Just a moment. Is it visible to everyone now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is Project Management Institute website. URL is pmi.org. Just you can go to this pmi.org. You can register yourself. You can also, you know, uh, book the exam. You can book your exam yourself. You can pay all the fee directly to the institute. Okay. So no any mediator required, nothing required in between. You can directly book your exam. You can directly set the examination date. You can directly choose the examination center. You can write this exam from your home also. It's a proctored exam. You need to open your camera and you can attempt the exam from home. But I suggest people to write this exam from Prometic Testing Center because there is a very less disturbance in Prometic Testing Center, and you can effectively you can write exam from there. Okay.
One question. So exam is on objective question or
It's a 100% objective question.
Okay. Okay.
We need to attempt 120 multiple choice question in 3
Mi-
hours.
minus marking is there?
No minus marking.
Okay.
Okay. Then next question, is there any pass guarantee? So there is no any pass guarantee. I will help you to understand the concept in a better manner. I will help you with every resources which is required to pass this examination, but it is you who has to work hard, who has to learn, who has to study, and who has to pass the exam. Okay. I will provide you all sorts of help, support, which is required to pass this exam. I will guide you at my best. Okay, but you have to give all the effort. You have to understand the concept. You have to implement. You have to, you have to work towards this. It's not an easy exam. It's not a very simple exam. Okay, PMI has a standard, so you need to meet that standard. And with proper guidance, you can definitely achieve it. It's not a very big deal. Okay, what is the medium of instruction? So mostly classes is in English, but in case if you need any concept or any session, if you want to discuss in Hindi, so I'm pretty comfortable with Hindi and English, both the language, and we can discuss in any of the language. That is not an issue. Okay, now it's your turn. I have done with my explanation. Let me show you few things.
What is the any attempt? How many attempts we can?
Once you book the exam, you are eligible for one attempt. In case if you fail that exam, you will have subsequent attempt, but you need to again pay the fee to PMI. But you don't require to pay the full fee the way you paid for first attempt. For second attempt, fee is much lesser. I think I'm not very sure, but you can check on PMI website. But I think for second attempt, it's 18,000 rupees, and maximum you can attempt three attempts in a year. If you fail 3 times, then you cannot attempt more than 3 in a year. You need to wait for complete 1 year, then you can start attempting from next year. So most of the people pass in one go. Just prepare in a proper manner. Just uh, clear all your concepts, attempt mock examination as mock test as much as possible, and you are good to go. Yeah. Now
Yes.
it's time to discuss any doubts, any query, any question. I'm open for that. So Pankaj, do you feel confident? What do you feel? What is your feeling after this session? I don't want to discuss all these things over the like phone because I want to share my screen. I want to share lot many things. That's why I thought to discuss over the Zoom. So Pankaj, do you feel confident? Like what is your confidence level?
Currently, confidence level, yeah. Actually, now we get a more ideas
Yeah, yeah,
what
yeah.
is IACP. My concern is actually in current role, today we are doing the multiple roles.
Yeah, yeah.
50% we are involving in development parts and 40% we are involving in the support part.
Okay.
Support of the just like a big application as a WMS, SAP, it's a big
Hmm.
application.
Hmm.
So my concern is it is applicable for my role is better or not.
It is 100% applicable, Pankaj, because there are two types of project. One is development project, product development, and one is support project. Okay, and Agile cater both the kind of project. If like there are different methodologies for different kind of projects. So usually we use a Scrum framework for development, product development, and we use Kanban for support kind of project where ticketing systems are there. Even Agile also talks about tailoring of different framework, different processes. If you are confident enough, if you have command over one framework, you can club different frameworks according to your requirement. So even in domain 7, we will discuss tailoring, how to tailor do different framework according to your project need. And this is 100% applicable on your scenario, Pankaj, and it will definitely help you a lot to perform your job in a better manner.
Okay.
Yeah. Any question, Pankaj? Any doubt, anything? Let me show you one more thing. I think I missed that thing. I want to show you examination content outline of PMI-ACP. Okay, give me just 1 minute. Let me quickly bring that. Yeah, let me share my screen one more time. Let me know once my screen is visible to you guys. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So, everyone, this is examination content outline by PMI-ACP. This document is also available freely on internet on PMI website. You can download from there also. I have already shared this document over the WhatsApp. I think you joined little late, so you have not access of this document. I will share it again in the WhatsApp group. Here you can see entire examination divided into 7 domain. Okay, let me open that part. Yeah. Entire examination divided into 7 domain, and every domain is again divided into multiple tasks. Okay. So for example, domain 1 has 9 tasks. Domain 2 has 14 tasks, and again this domain is divided into 4 subdomain. So we like it's a very detailed content, and we will discuss lot many thing in the class. And not only we will discuss different thing, we will also connect these information, these knowledge with real scenario, and how to implement these scenarios in real situation. What are the different situation occurred? I will share my experience as a project manager, as a scrum master, how I handle these kind of situation. What are the implication of those decisions, what I did it correctly and what I should not do. Like, I will share lot many things in these sessions. So these sessions will definitely help you a lot in terms of project management and scrum master role. Yeah. Rohan, do you have any question?
Sir, regarding the job, okay.
Yeah.
Can you help us? You are working in Coforge, maybe you you have some network also. So can you help
Yeah,
regarding
definitely,
the,
definitely, Rohan. So I have a very good network. I have a
actually
very
basically
Mm.
I want to switch. Okay, that's why I want to join,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I want.
sure, Rohan. So I can help you in that direction also. See, I'm not going to commit anything, okay? But whenever any job vacancy or job available in my organization, I will refer your resume to my organization. Even I have a good network of many friends. My lot of friends are working in different organization, different IT companies. Wherever required of requirement of a scrum master, wherever requirement of agile project manager, I will share your resume with that person, with that organization. But again, it will just help you to reach to that table. Your performance in that interview is the ultimately things which help you to take that job. Once you are like go through with these trainings, and once you are comfortable with the concepts, once you are comfortable with the implementation of these concepts in real scenario, you are in a better position to answer those interview questions. You are in a better position to attempt those interviews, and definitely that will open a new door for you.
And sir, what about the salary criteria for this?
See, salary criteria for any IT job. I'm not talking about just Scrum Master and Agile Project Management. So whatever your current salary is there, you will get 30 to 40% hike on your current salary. So this is market standard. I have seen people who even got 100% of hike. I have seen people like this also. But general market standard is 30 to 40% hike on your current salary. If your salary is too low, according to market standard, maybe you can go to different website, glassdoor.com, salary.com. You can check what should be your ideal salary according to your experience level, according to your job profile, according to your location. And if you feel you are underpaid, then you can ask for more salary, even more than 30% or 40% of growth. If your salary is already as per market standard, then you don't expect much salary hike. So it's a general thumb rule. Again, there are lot many things like how much important is your profile, how much need is for organization, what is your notice period, what is your skill set, are you multi-talented, or you are just skilled in one technology. Lot many, in a private job, there are lot many different criterias are there, which actually guide your salary. What is your communication level? Lot many things.
And sir, what is the market standard for a Scrum Master? What was the package for that Scrum Master will be there in Glassdoor or where? So we can understand what that thing.
Rohan, can I know your little background, like how much experience you
Basic,
have, what technology you
I
work?
so basically I am working as a .NET developer and
Okay.
work and as a full stack .NET developer you can say.
How much
Okay,
experience you have?
around 12 year in .NET industries.
Okay. So for 12 years of experience, people, around like you can start as a 25 lakh rupees to 40 lakh rupees per annum. You can expect anything between 25 lakhs rupees per annum to 40 lakhs rupees per annum for 12 years of experience, people.
After having this
Yes,
Scrum
yes,
Master role.
yes, yes. Once you are certified, once you have knowledge of Agile Scrum, once you have knowledge of real life implementation of these uh, knowledge skills.
Okay, are we going to do any real life scenario in this training? Real life
Yes,
scenario what we
yes, yes, definitely, Rohan. So let me share that screen again. Let me share my screen one more time. So here in day 19, Scrum simulation, role play activities. Okay. So we will, like you will play a role of a Scrum Master. Okay. You will moderate all the meetings, all the required meetings which required to moderate by a Scrum Master. Okay. I will make you a Scrum Master for a retrospective meeting, and I will ask you to play a role of a Scrum Master in a retrospective meeting. Okay, I'm just giving you one example. Maybe I can ask you to do moderation for a sprint planning meeting.
no,
Okay,
okay, sir.
so we will do that simulation, Scrum simulation. It will boost your confidence. It will give you confidence to answer relevant question in the interviews.
Actually, our concern is actually like Love Case is working in Coforge. Okay, so he's maybe and he's comfortable about what is the process going on. They are already he's also he's in they are using all those things. Okay,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
me and Pankaj, okay, we are working in non-IT company. Okay, we
Hmm.
are we are doing a development and support all those things we are doing. Okay, and we are following the waterfall model. Project came, internal project came, we develop, we delivered, and we support. Okay, at present we are not following any Scrum Master role, anything. This kind of situation we are not following at present. Okay, so these are the concerns. That's why we have conducted this call.
So you need not worry about this, Rohan, because you are at the right place. We will discuss all these things in this session, and I will help you to understand how Agile environment works, what we execute projects in Agile environment, what are the things you need to take care. I will also compare with waterfall model, like how you guys are doing in the waterfall model and how this should be performed in Agile environment. So you should know the difference between these two different environment. and we will go through with the simulation and all those stuff. This will definitely help you boost your confidence to understand the agile in a better manner and perform better in interview. And before that, at least it will help you to opt this prestigious certification, PMI-ACP.
Okay, sir.
And this relationship between you and me is not just for 20 days, Rohan. I know Vivek from past 10 years. Ask Vivek, and like, I invite everyone whenever you have any doubt, any query, any discussion things, just call me and let's connect me and discuss your problems, your issue, anything work related. You can connect me and we can discuss that, and I will guide you in that direction. Okay, Rohan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I
Rohan, can you please keep yourself on mute? Yeah, thanks. Yes, Pankaj.
think, sir, as discussed with Rohan,
Hmm.
because actually we are working as a, we are develop a project without agile process,
Hmm.
without
Hmm.
without Scrum, we are supporting the project. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Maybe we are using the Scrum process that we don't know.
Hmm. Hmm.
We don't align that with this process we are using just like Scrum or not.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Once you attend the training, so you will provide the process. Okay. So we cannot implement same process in our project because we are not doing.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
our process will be only on theoretical process, which you learn, which I
Uh,
learned, not
yes.
practical.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I think it will be very challenges for us because we are not doing in our company we are not doing such type of project. So theoretical and practical because suppose some people are working in the agile process development project. Okay, so
Hmm.
once he learns, so he can implement in their project. Yeah, maybe he can. Yeah, he can align the same process in existing project. So he can good learning will be better for compared to us because
Okay.
our learning is theoretical because you learn, okay, we will learn and we cannot implement in our existing project.
Yeah, I got your point, Pankaj. So, see, I understood like you are not working in agile environment in your current project, and you are not feeling very confident whether you are able to like learn these concept through like all these concepts are theoretically, and you are not confident enough to implement these concept in your real life scenario. Okay, this is what your concern area is. Correct, Pankaj?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So see what we can do. See, I cannot change your current environment. I cannot go to your office and I ask, management people to implement Scrum because that is not in your control. That is not in my control. But what we can do, we can take one example. We can take one project here in this group within we all five. We are five here. Two more people are in this group also. Like they not joined this meeting today, but they are also part of this group. So what we will do, we will take and just forget about PMI ACP preparation. Okay. We are just learning these, we will learn these concepts and we will implement in a real like scenario. So what we will do, we will take one IT project, okay, and we will run entire project in the like in this training session. Like we will create a backlog on Jira. Okay, some of you will play a role of product owner, and we will simulate entire sprint refinement meeting. Okay, what are the things you need to take care in during refinement meeting? We will also simulate entire sprint planning meeting. Some of you guys will play a role of Scrum Master. Some of you will play a role of product owner. Some of you will play a role of developer and tester, and we will see what is the ideal scenario of implementing all these things. Okay, we will do also simulate a daily scrum meeting. We will also simulate retrospective meeting. We will also simulate a demo meeting. Everything we will do in this class. So it will give you confidence to implement all these theoretical concept in practical scenario. Okay, and same way you need to replicate those things in your organization wherever you required. Maybe if that environment is not in control, maybe if you are not able to implement full Scrum there, you can implement a small thing there. See, nobody can stop you to implement a daily stand-up meeting there. You all guys in the team can stand up for 15 minutes and discuss those three questions which is suggested by Scrum. Nobody can stop you to implement those things. You can implement a retrospective session at the end of your sprint, or maybe just after 1 month you can do retrospective. So gradually, maybe you cannot implement 100% Scrum there, but some part of the Scrum you can start implementing in your current scenario. And definitely, if you see the changes, if you explain the changes to your boss, you can get the permission, and with the help of their permission, you can implement an entire Scrum in your current scenario. Okay, that is feasible. I don't think any challenge in it, Pankaj.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, I'm ready to provide you all sort of help, whatever you need to learn this concept, implement this concept, pass this exam, all sort of help. There is no any foundation of timing. You can connect me anytime over the weekend. Okay. And I will help you. I will guide you in every aspect. Any question, Lokesh? Any question or any doubt, any clarification? Anything
No, I
which,
think I have cleared all those things.
okay. Pankaj, do you have still any doubt, or are you okay with all the questions?
No. Thank you, sir. So,
Lokesh,
Yes.
do you have any question, Lokesh? Lovekesh, sorry.
Yeah. No, no, no.
Okay. Vivek, do you have any question?
No, it's clear.
Clear.
Yeah.
So let's move forward as a team, and we will start our first class on 6th of January, because 6th of January is the first weekend, first Saturday, and let's start learning. And we have a lot of things to learn in coming months. Okay. Okay. To all the best to everyone, to new journey, to start new journey.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
everyone.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks.